Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to start using Zapier, the automation tool that can save your time and streamline your workflow. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Zapier, how to create your first Zap, and how to connect your favorite apps to automate your tasks. Whether you are new to automation or looking to expand your skills, this video will provide you with the knowledge you need to start using Zapier like a pro. So let's dive in. First of all, we will need to go to our browser and then search for Zapier. So go to the URL and search for Zapier, just like that, and then go to this website. So zapier.com. This is the website, guys. Here you can get started for free. So click in here and then they will take you to the sign up page. Here you can sign up using your Gmail account, Facebook account, or even Microsoft account. If you don't want to use these three, there is also the normal sign up method, which is using your email, first name, last name, and then pick in your password. Now let's try to log in using our Gmail account. So here we go, and here I am. So now you have to continue with answering some couple questions. So these are the questions that you will receive. Here is the first question. So the first question, select the role that the best describes you. So are you on IT, customer support OPS, project management, sale OPS, and so go on. So let's choose a random one, project management. Here, how many employees does your company have? 149, for example, in my case. And here, what apps do you use? So here you must choose the application that you often use. For example, for me, I will choose here Shopify. Here we go. And I will add also Wix. So here it is. And just like that, I will click here to finish setup. Now they will take us to the next step, which is to make a zap. Well, basically, guys, to make a zap, you will need to have two kind of applications that are different. For example, in my case, let's try to use Shopify and Wix. So I'm going to give you an example. So let's go to wix.com and let's go ahead and open Shopify as well. Now here, I'm going to Wix and let's go to one of my sites. So I'm going to this one. And now let's wait for it until it loads. And this is the dashboard. So now what I'm going to click is go to automation from over here. Let me just close this real quick. Click on automation. And here, click on new automation. So let's click and here. And simply here you can just do whatever automation you like. So for example, thank visitors for submit a form, etc. So let's try to something like this one, for example, setup. And now just wait a little bit. And here it is like the action that they will do. So here I'm going to do is, for example, you can add an action if you'd like. And here what we'll do is, for example, choose an action. Next, decide how you want to respond to the trigger. So you can choose whatever thing from here, send an email, send a coupon, or whatever thing you'd like. And after you choose this, you can just click here and activate it. Now, let's say that you want to connect this automation with, I don't know, your Shopify store. So basically there's more than this automation, but this is just an example of your automations. So now let's see this. Now I'm going to go back to Zapier and here I'm going to click on create a zap. So after I created a zap, here I'm going to search for Wix. So here it is and choose Wix automation. Now after you did that, choose an event. So here you can choose automation rule, then click on continue. Then click on continue once more and here the trigger. So the trigger will come to new site members, then click on continue and now test trigger to see if it's gonna work. So they are testing it now and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. Now we can click here to continue And here we can, for example, link it with Shopify account, or we can do it with anything, like literally anything. Let's try it out with Google Docs. For example, let's try it with Google Docs because it's going to be much easier. So Google Docs, choose an event, append text to document, and here I'm going to click on continue. Here, let's sign into our Google Docs. Use this email. So here it is. So let's give it the authorization. And here it is. Continue. The action that we will need is, for example, automation um, rule in Wix. Here I will go down. So I have chosen this. Choose this, for example. And here we can choose whatever value we want. So enable to load choices, custom. We'll do the same thing. And here, hello. So here, click on continue, test action, and let's wait for it. So troubleshoot error, file not found John. So in that case, we know to start creating a file, which is a doc file. So let's go to here. Let's go here, docs, and as you can see, you will notice that there is a doc here. So here you must create like a file for your doc. But first, let's go to Gmail, and you'll notice that they have sent you um, this access. So this is like an access from Google that tells you that Zapier has an access to your account. Now we can go here and let's create, for example, a file that's name is let's check here back. So troubleshoot errors. We can just go back here and we can name it, for example, John. So after we name it John, everything will be working perfectly and smoothly. Now all we need to make it is save it and then publish it. Now you can, in my case, for example, let's click here, continue, skip test, and they will still connect it. As you can see here, the test skipped, but everything is going well. Now all you need to do is publish the zap. So click here, publish and turn on. And just like that, you have created your first zap and everything will be working smoothly for you. So now people save an average of 4 hours, guys. Imagine this is like a statistic of the websites. They save 4 hours with Zapier of their first week in their first week. Like imagine how much time you can save. Like this is like huge application that will save time and will make your work more efficient for you. So this is just one example of one of bunch of examples that Zapier can do. And yeah, you can go freely and choose whatever application you like, connect it with another, and do whatever in your imagination. So guys, thank you guys for watching and see ya in the next video.